This week, we'll be studying stems 41 through 45. Stem 41, anti. Anti means against or opposite. First sample word is antidote. An antidote is a remedy given against a poison. The second sample word is antiperspirant, which is a noun. It's a product used to help fight against perspiration. You know, the stuff that makes you kind of stink. Pick two more words from the next slide to help you understand this stem. Make sure to pause the video to fill in your chart. It's also important to listen to all of the words to understand how to say them. Anti, antifreeze, antithesis, antonym, anticlimax, it's a noun, a disappointing end to an exciting or impressive series of events, anti-socialist, antagonist, which also is a noun, one who goes against another, usually the protagonist, antibiotic, and antigen. Pick two words that will help you understand the stem anti. Write two complete sentences using these two words to show your understanding of the word and its definition. Then I'll go ahead and show you my samples. The doctor said my cold was caused by a virus, not bacteria, so an antibiotic would not have helped. Slavery is the antithesis of freedom. Did you remember to use a capital letter, correcting the punctuation, and your best spelling? Stem 42, bio, which means life. The first sample word is biography, which is a noun. It's a story written about someone's life. The second sample word is biology, which is a noun. It's the study of life. Here are a list of words that use the stem bio. Biopsy. Biodegradable is an adjective. It means capable of being decomposed. Biorhythm is any biological cycle that involves periodic changes in blood pressure, body temperature, etc. Autobiography, which is a noun, it's a story the author wrote about his or her own life. Biosphere and microbiology. Be sure to pause the video at this time to copy down the notes for two words that have the stem bio. Make sure to pause the video to write two complete sentences using two different words to show your understanding of the word and its definition. Don't forget to use capital letter, correct ending punctuation, and your best spelling. Then go ahead and unpause the video to listen to my two examples. We avoid using foam plates because they aren't biodegradable and as such will remain at the dump for hundreds of years. Your biorhythm can impact your mood and behavior. Stem 43, cent, which means 100. One sample word that uses some cent is centimeter, which is a noun. It's a metric unit of length equal to 1/100th of a meter. Centenarian is also a noun. It's a person who is 100 years old or older. Here are some more words that use the stem cent: bicentennial, centurion, cent, centipede, percent, centigrade, and percentage. Go ahead and choose two words to write two different sentences with. Be sure that your sentence shows what the word means rather than just tell. As we begin our bicentennial, America is still one of the youngest nations in recorded history. Both 1% and 2% milks are considered reduced fat because full fat milk contains about 3.5% milk fat, and skim milk contains less than 0.5% fat. Stem 44, the last stem for this week, is chron, which means time. The first sample word is chronic. It's an adjective. It means lasting a long time. The second sample word is chronological. It's also an adjective. It's arranged in order of time. Here are some more words that use the stem chron. Synchronize, chronometer, chronos, chronography, chronicle, and anachronism. Go ahead, write your final 2 sentences for the week. Then I'll share mine. Kronos is usually portrayed as an old, wise man with long, gray beard similar to Father Time. The middle school clocks are not synchronized, which is why we never know what time it really is. Whoops, just kidding. Stem 45 is actually our last stem of the day, which is cog, which means to learn or know. The first sample word is cognitive, which is an adjective. It means things related to judgment, memory, and other mental processes of knowing. The second sample word is recognition, which is a noun. It's the state or quality of being recognized or acknowledged. Here are some more words that use the stem cog. Incognito, cognizance, recognized, precognition, uncognizable, cognizant, and cognitive. Go ahead, write your actual 2 last sentences for the day using the stem. Students must be cognizant of their after-school activities so they leave enough time to do homework. Does Mr. Harder have an assortment of wigs and makeup so he can shop around town incognito?